Well, we're doing a video inspection and demonstration of the day for TM Trading as a Cat 289C high flow 2-speed track skid steer machine with high flow. This girl's got it all. I think this is the biggest one they make now, and it's wonderful in every way. It's got 1,309 hours on it, real low hours. We're going to take you all the way around it. It's got fabulous tracks. I want to check out those tracks. Here's your high flow. It's also got the hydraulic bucket coupler. Push a button electronically and change the bucket inside the cab. Air's cold, ain't it?
Yes, air's real cold.
She's air conditioned, got all the bells and whistles. She does everything she's supposed to. And this machine is outfitted with a package that keeps all debris and everything out of the machine. You can see the screen there, the exhaust screen, the top screen, even the hydraulic cylinders are screened. You can see right here. Nothing's ever going to get on the machine or get in the machine. The sprockets are in great shape. You need a good machine. Get in, help yourself. They don't come with any more options or any nicer. It's a real low hour machine. Just glides, it's just amazing. Power. One beautiful, beautiful machine. Thank you so much.